What's going on, everybody? My name is Jeremy Scott, and this is
Daniel Vickers.
And we are Jeremy and Daniel out there doing real estate. What a market it's been, huh?
It's been crazy. A lot tougher.
Q4, Q1, things are changing a little bit, but rates being jacked up by the Federal Reserve has definitely played a factor in buying power, but the strong will survive, and that's why we're here, baby.
He always says real
Still
estate's
grinding.
not for the faint of heart, and that has never rung truer.
Yeah, exactly. What's interesting too is like I started in 2014, which was right when things started to recover after kind of 08, 09. And it kind of gone up, and then 2019 rates hit over 5 and the market kind of went down. Then we got up, and now we're actually in like a recession, whether people want to admit it or not. It's been interesting to see. And in your career, you started at the very end of just pure madness.
Yes.
And then now it's like, oh, there's a different market than that.
Right.
Everybody wanted to get in real estate and be a realtor like 9 months ago.
Yep.
And now, how many of you want to be a realtor? Exactly. Well, this is Odom Avenue, 5520. This is the end part. Well, let's get going. This one turned out really nice.
Yep, definitely.
Should it be profitable? No, this one won't be profitable, but it's on the market currently. We had a good amount of activity. We kind of intentionally overpriced it, but in hindsight, we probably should have done a little bit lower, but oh well. We're still what?
Oh, I think we're only about 10 days on market.
Yeah.
10 days on market, and we've gotten a good bit of showings. Just
And you're gonna
no
see
bites yet. Yeah.
Look at this beautiful thing. It looks very similar on the outside. We didn't do a whole lot paint. We saved there, but we did trim work, and I think painted the garage. Is that right?
Yes, I believe it's a new garage door, and then also on the right side there is still some landscaping over there, but if you remember the other photos, you couldn't see that half of the house.
That's right.
There was also branches and stuff on the roof,
From that tree right there.
Yep, causing a ruckus, so had to kind of
Oh, I'm sure
fix
that'll
all
come
that.
up in an inspection.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, just real nice curb appeal, Westward Village, a very safe, top-rated city in the area, right next to downtown. Now we go inside. That's some staging. We put in new flooring. What else are we doing in this room?
New flooring, paint throughout. This one actually had a foundation issue. If you guys watched the before photos I talked about when you came in the front door here, which is just to the right of this couch, I could definitely feel a pretty good slope right there, and especially in that first bedroom. So we got the foundation raised up, of course, got it repaired. And then, of course, it was right around Christmas time, and we always kind of let the house resettle after that before doing patchwork, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And when this thing kept settling, there were some pretty good cracks in the ceiling and stuff that was split like that. So had to go kind of completely patch those, replace some sheetrock, stuff like that, and turned out really nice. But new flooring, paint, staging.
Yeah, that paint job does wonders.
Definitely.
Let's see here. New fans. We like those cheap ones from Home Depot. Here's new cabinets and everything in the kitchen.
Yep.
That looks great. The shaker style, still in style for now. Stainless steel looks 1,000 times better.
Definitely.
Oh, that's gas too.
It's,
Look at that.
gas. Yep, very nice.
Yeah.
A little more high end on this one.
Looks good. Well, you need to be for that area. I mean, we're asking what, 300, 295 now?
Yep, 295 at the moment, but kind of went with the dark obsidian color granite on that one, which I personally like a lot. We haven't used that before, but I think with the other colors we have inside and matches the stainless steel appliances, I think super well, or complements them.
Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Next time we need to get a backsplash thrown in. Well,
I'll
those
make
are
note of
cheap,
that.
I mean.
Sure.
But yeah, that looks good. You walk in right here. Is this the?
This is the POV actually from the cabinets. So
Gotcha.
just kind of turn the camera around here.
That's a great area for a table.
Yeah, exactly. And before, if you guys remember, I did make note of this on the before video that this actually had a door to a third bedroom.
Oh, that's right.
Which the door was off. We went ahead and sealed that wall, and then kept the door on the other side. And turned it into a traditional third bedroom. We still felt like it was kind of weird to have a bedroom door going straight into the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
So turned it really more into like a little dining area, more traditional dining area without the door. Exactly.
You can be watching football and in the kitchen and see each other.
We did open up that wall on the right, actually made it a lot wider.
Good.
And so a little bit more open concept than what it was previously before.
Looks great.
Yep.
New carpet, new fan. Let's see, I don't think we did any new windows on this one, right?
No new windows on this one. If I remember correctly, this is that front bedroom, so we did foundation. This is where that foundation issue was once again.
Why don't you go grab some of this furniture in these bedrooms and stick it in the wall?
That's what I'm saying we could do if you want.
If you're watching this. New carpet looks good.
And if you keep it on that photo for a second, you can kind of peek in there, but on the far right, that's actually, it was a closet beforehand, and we turned this into a half bathroom. It was a 3-bed, 1-bath before, turned it into a 3-bed, 1.5-bath now. So, you know, instead of just having 1 bathroom for the whole house, this is traditionally the master bath or bedroom, and it does have a little half bath in there at least, which
very nice.
Always helps.
Heck yeah, big time.
Definitely.
Well, cool. What else we got here? This is the little half bath.
Yep.
Basic as it gets. Looks cute. Other bedroom looks good with the what is that on the wall? Is that a picture?
It's an electrical panel.
Oh.
Yep.
Yikes.
It is where it is.
Old school.
Yep.
Nice. Put new cabinets and
vanity
in the bathroom. That looks good.
Yep. Nicer new vanity here, and then kind of match that granite countertop again. That's in the kitchen, so kind of matched there.
Looks really good. Is that shower?
That's that walk-in shower, yes.
Yeah, I hate that shower. It's the only thing where we should have probably done something different. Now, I wouldn't have replaced the glass. There's just got to be something we could do to make that look better. But anyway, it's still nice overall. This is the closed-in patio.
Yes. So really just kind of cleaned this one out a little bit. Had some junk on the back porch, and just, you know, did some minor repairs and stuff. Kind of.
Does it have a garage and a?
Yep, it does have a 1-car garage. This on the back, it's not a carport or anything, but people could use this if they wanted a little enclosed patio for, you know, in the winter months or something. Put a nice little fire or gas heater out there.
Drinking a nice natty light on the front.
no natty lights, Miller lights.
Bush light?
no
He's
bush.
a bush light guy.
I'm not a bush light guy.
Well, that's it.
But that's it for the most part, yeah.
Yeah, that one turned out pretty good.
Yep.
So what's cool is we bought this one, I don't know, October?
I think October.
Something like that. It sat through, you know, the rough market time, but it's kind of the ones going on. We finally got that Paris one taken care of, which you guys saw last video, right?
2 videos ago.
2 videos. And so, yeah, we're keep grinding. But I guess we forgot to ask. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. No, but anyway, this is good. Why do we do this? To show you what we're doing, and that we're not just full of it, like other people on social media. But then to show to lenders is like, you know, potential lenders, what is our product? What does it end up looking like? What does it look like beforehand? What does it look like after? And eventually when you start seeing all these, there's a common theme, a common trend. You know, these are the assets that you're securing your investment in, and they're appreciating by value add, right? Granite and bedrooms and fixing up. So in order to protect your investment, your loan to value goes down, right? Loan divided by the value of the house as it increases. And you want your loan to value, in theory, as low as possible, unless you're amortizing, but that's a different conversation. So, Daniel. We need some wisdom.
You guys are going to keep hearing me harping on this, and I know I've said it on other videos, but what you guys, I think especially with the tougher market going on right now, again, I'm going to keep harping on location. That's where we're doing our flips. So if you go back and look at our couple of previous videos, we did Haltom City. I don't know if we've done the Watauga one yet. We do have one on the market in Watauga, but another one in the 76133 zip code, which is coming soon.
Oh, that'll be a
that's
good one.
probably the next one we're gonna be doing a video on. But all these areas are not, to be quite honest, in the ghetto. And so
that's a $300,000 house.
Exactly. So these are super nice areas, highly sought after, good, you know, school districts, safe areas, things like that. That's where we're focusing on, you know, doing these flips just to help it move quicker at the end of the day.
Yep.
So that's my parting wisdom.
Right on. All right. Well, we appreciate everyone for watching. Again, if you want to get involved, reach out. A lot of you do and are, and subscribe if you like these videos. And I know our social media has some giveaways and whatnot, so stay tuned to those. And if you want a Summit Cove mug or whatever it is, tumbler, stay tuned and you can figure out how that is. Thanks for watching. See you guys.